Hello, welcome to another installment in our series, Managing Your Practice, Managing Your Exposure. My name is Eric Cooperstein. I have a solo law practice in Minneapolis, Minnesota, devoted to representing lawyers in legal ethics matters. Mostly I defend lawyers who have ethics complaints filed against them. I also advise lawyers on legal ethics issues, represent people in law firm breakups, and do some expert witness work. Earlier in my career, I worked for the state discipline agency that investigates and prosecutes lawyers for ethical misconduct. One of the things I did in that job was to oversee their overdraft notification program for trust account maintenance. So both in that practice and in my later practice, I've looked at many lawyers' trust accounts, which is very helpful for this program, which is Follow the Money, how to use business and trust accounts. In this program, we'll be talking about which deposits you should make to your business account and which deposits you should make to your trust account. I'll be explaining the type of expenses that can be paid from business and trust accounts, and, very important, talking about the critical requirements for operating and maintaining a trust account. So let's just take a look at lawyer accounts in general to start. There are a couple of types of accounts that most lawyers will have in their practice. You will likely have a business checking account that is dedicated to your practice. Even if you're a sole proprietor and not an entity, it is probably a good idea to have a separate account just for your business transactions. It makes it easier to keep track of those transactions. It may be helpful for tax purposes when you provide that information to your accountant or do your taxes on your own. So have a separate account for your business. Obviously, if you're in an entity, it's much more likely you will have that separate account. Most lawyers will also have a pooled IOLTA account. This is the common term